Do you know that your liver works harder than almost any other organ in your body, quietly cleaning out toxins, processing nutrients, and keeping your energy levels balanced every single day? Yet most of us don't give it the care it truly deserves. Over time, poor diet, stress, lack of sleep, medications, and even everyday environmental pollution can clog your liver like a dirty filter. The result? You feel tired, bloated, sluggish, and your skin loses its glow. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us the perfect drink to clean and rejuvenate the liver naturally, and it doesn't require expensive supplements or detox kits. Just one glass daily can help your liver repair itself and start functioning like new again. Imagine waking up with more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, and a lighter feeling in your body, all from a simple natural drink you can make right at home. Now let's talk about it. The drink starts with warm water, not hot, not cold, just comfortably warm. Into this, add the juice of half a fresh lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that stimulate the liver's enzyme production, helping it flush out waste more efficiently. Next, add a teaspoon of pure olive oil. This might surprise you, but olive oil provides healthy fats that encourage bile production, helping the liver process fat-soluble toxins more easily. Then, add a pinch of turmeric powder or a small slice of fresh turmeric root. Turmeric's curcumin compound is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents. It protects liver cells from damage and even supports the regeneration of new ones. Finally, add a few slices of fresh ginger or half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Ginger improves circulation, aids digestion, and enhances detoxification by speeding up metabolism. Stir this mixture well and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It's a small habit, but the results over time are huge. Within a few weeks, many people notice improved digestion, less bloating, and clearer skin, all signs that the liver is healing and doing its job properly. To make this even more effective, avoid heavy fried foods, processed sugars, and alcohol during your detox days. Instead, focus on green vegetables, fruits like apples and berries, and stay hydrated with plenty of water. A healthy liver also depends on movement, so a simple 20-minute walk daily can increase blood flow and boost detox function. I remember a real story from one of our viewers named Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher from Florida. She wrote to us saying she used to feel constantly tired, with dark circles and poor digestion. Her doctor told her her liver enzymes were slightly elevated. Instead of turning to pills, she started drinking this natural liver cleaning drink every morning and changed her dinner habits, lighter meals, less sugar. After 6 weeks, her energy returned, her skin started glowing again, and her doctor was amazed to see her liver tests normalize. She said, "I never realized my tiredness wasn't about age. It was my liver crying for help." That's the power of natural healing. Your liver is the body's silent hero. When you protect it, it rewards you with better immunity, more energy, and even better mood stability. And remember, the liver is one of the few organs that can actually regenerate itself, but only if you give it the right tools. So try this drink for at least 14 days and see how your body responds. You might notice subtle but powerful changes, waking up lighter, less brain fog, and improved digestion. Comment below where you're watching from, and share if you're planning to try this natural liver detox drink. If you've already used it, tell us your results. Your story might inspire someone else to take charge of their health too. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to Golden Rest Guide for more natural health secrets, senior wellness tips, and everyday habits that help you stay strong, sharp, and full of life. Like, share, and spread this message, because when you take care of your liver, your whole body thanks you for it.